Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is December 24. 24, right? It's Christmas. It's Christmas. So we are preparing to go to my mother-in-law's house, and we're going to be spending our Christmas there. And this is my outfit for the day, and my husband is
I'm the
holding
cameraman.
camera. So ito guys, naka-blue lang tayo, and this was, I bought this long time ago at hindi tayo
Turn around.
nakapag-shopping. Hindi tayo nakapag-shopping kasi nga nag-lockdown, pero okay lang din naman to because
Swirl,
maganda
baby.
pa rin siya.
Swirl.
What is swirl? Ta-da! So it's gonna be a very nice Christmas, but a bit quiet because it's just gonna be Martin, me, the mother, and the husband. Martin, stop first. What are you doing?
No, I can do whatever I want to do. I can see you now.
Okay, so yeah, that's what's gonna happen.
It's not gonna be boring. It's just gonna be a few people.
Yeah, of course it's not gonna be boring. You're there.
Correcto.
When you're there, it's never boring.
I am the light of the party. I am the firecracker.
Yeah, whatever. So anyway, yun nga. So we're gonna have our Christmas there. We're gonna have dinner, and the usual Danish tradition. There will be a roasted duck.
A dog is like not the woof woof, but the other one, the quack quack one.
So
It's a bird.
So we will have that, and then we're also gonna have the fläskesteg. I don't know what is that in English. What is that in English, though? It's like a pork with. It's like pork with.
It's like
crispy skin on it. So it's actually like, I don't know. But anyway, it tastes good. So there will be something like that, and then the dessert will normally be.
Not normally. It will always be.
Okay, it will
rice
always
pudding,
be
riz à la main.
pudding. And in the rice pudding, there will be a almond, and then it's like each of us will have a bowl of the pudding, and then there will be one almond in one of those, but we don't know who. And if you got it, you're gonna win a prize. So
That's wrong again. There will be one bowl. The almond will be in it, and you pour up in your bowl yourself. And if you're lucky, you will win. This one won last year.
Why are you so noisy? No, anyway, I won last year, and the tradition in the family, whoever won the almond last year will be the one to sponsor the gift this year.
So you're looking at the sponsor right now.
Yeah.
So this is an update for a sponsor. Please.
So the gift will be. Should I say it? No.
The gift will be a secret.
Yeah, the gift will be a secret, and later.
And we will reveal it later.
Later tonight, it will be revealed. I hope we're gonna win again.
I love being the cameraman. The man behind the cameraman can be naked and nobody will see him.
No, he's not naked, but he's in his underwear. But it's fine.
Now I'm naked.
Don't be like that, don't. So anyway, you have to prepare yourself now, Martin, because I'm ready, and I don't wanna be so stressed out later. Okay?
Okay lang.
Okay, then quit it.
Quit it. Bye-bye.
And then you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And right now, ano muna guys, I'm just waiting for my husband to be done para makaalis na kami. At ang tagal niya, grabe, parang babae, oy. Buti pa ako tapos na, and yeah, as you can see, ay nakita nyo na ito dati, right? Ito ang aking new eyeglass. Sabi niya, mukha daw akong teacher. Okay lang din yun. Para naman, ibig sabihin nun, respectable tayo tingnan. Charing. So yon, it's December 24th, 14:42 ng hapon. And we're gonna be spending it at Martin's mother's house and the stepdad. Stepdad, right? Yeah. So, yun guys. Medyo ewan ko ba, na-stress ako pag may mga event na ganito guys. So, I have a headache. I hope mawala siya mamaya. Kasi I wanna have a good Christmas evening. And I hope everybody's gonna have a very, very Merry Christmas then for this year. We deserve to have a very Merry Christmas. Because say for this year, it's been crazy. It's been, crazy. And I'm happy it's about to end. And pa next year na. And hoping na next year, everything will be way better than this year. Everything will be back to normal again. And we can all live our normal life before Corona. Walang Corona yan. Si Martin nag-acting lang yan. The way.
It's very nice that this one is in the frame when I'm about to.
Martin, that's mine.
It was yours. Hello guys, welcome to CM's channel. It's Christmas. We gotta go away, have a nice Christmassy dinner. We gotta eat Lichin Kawali. I'm already pre-eating.
Pre-eating. Yeah.
Look at that wife.
Yeah?
Look at her.
Yeah?
She got older, huh? Oh, so did I.
I thought you were gonna say like, oh, she's so pretty. No, she got older. That's also fine. That's positive. You put
Yeah.
yeah, like that.
I do it whatever I want to do when I do it.
Yeah, just that. Oh.
Anyway, happy Christmas. We gotta go away. We gotta eat. We gotta play games. And we gotta celebrate our Christmas 2020. Peace and out of here.
Ayaw, babu.
We're back again with an announcement. What is the announcement?
What's the announcement?
What is it? Come on, should we tell them?
Yeah, tell them.
In 1 week it will be New Year's. It's gonna be fun too.
That's enough.
Happy New Year and ciao. Ciao.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And we just got home from my in-laws house, and yeah, we actually had a nice Christmas. It was very, how do you say it? It was very calm. Yeah, and I got a lot of gifts. It was so nice. And that's it guys. We got home safe and sound. And yun lang. I hope everybody is, what should I say? Don't help me.
What do you need help for?
What?
No.
What are you gonna say? Say something.
What do you need help for?
Everything? No, try to close my vlog.
Close your vlog. Merry Christmas, everybody. Goodbye. Have a nice evening and enjoy your life. Enjoy it. Make an effort. Enjoy it. That's it. Bye us, baby. Bye-bye.